bottom place teams being considered. This is looking good for South Africa. Set up on the edge of the area. Mokoena lays it off again for a dangerous Apollos. Now Talente Mbata has scored long-range goals for South Africa before. It does it again! Oh, what a spectacular strike from Mbata! Hugo Bruce, perhaps for precisely a moment like that. It's his third international goal, and it's the most meaningful of the lot.
What a stunner. What a well-taken goal. Talente Mbata coming in as a replacement. Just receiving that ball at the edge of the box. And this is what South Africa are all about. Always recycling the ball. Midfielders packing powerful shots. Ntuari could do absolutely nothing about that one. Potential.
So Apollos has looked lively on the flank early on. It's Calf and full Sibisi, in part culpable for the first goal, the bounce over the top, deceiving him in the heavy water. In fact, both goals Rwanda scored. In some, you can attribute some of the blame to the waterlogged pitch as they attempt to find the equaliser here. Even Africa in a 2019 AFCON qualifier back in 2018. Forcing the Zero getting a little bit of talking to on the way he was dealing with Sibisi. Dr. Mudau was on the move. Apollos is still there. Back heel. And now he's burst onto it again as Apollos denied by Jacqueline Ntuari, who played some of his best football at club level at this particular stadium when he first arrived in South Africa with TS Galaxy.
Yep, and I think Ntuari would know a lot of those box entries need to count.
Singing delivery again from Apollos. Oh, it's so close. From to Paul Mokoena. Now, wouldn't that just been a small element of poetic justice had Mokoena being the one to get South Africa a 2-goal cushion. Looking for chance to cross for Mudau. Lays it into the pocket of Morena. South Africa win another corner.
Good movements on and off the ball.
Now South Africa looking for a cushion, looking to ensure that even were Benin to equalize, that they would still be progressing. That's the danger right now. South Africa with the just the 1-goal advantage. As South Africa would also be plus 5 goal difference. And we go to goal score. There's Apollos. It's an escape him here. Still available into the he circled home when he initially made a hash of it, and then makes amends in the most spectacular way possible. And Bafana do have the 2-goal margin that they so craved. Just as we were talking about what a draw for Benin might do with South Africa only 1-0 up, while the entire dynamic for Rwanda. Shooty amongst those assembled. Brilliant. It's a really easy play. And the referee has spotted an infringement from Nshuti, who is particularly assured today. There will likely be another flag raised. just 10 men on the park. South Africa trying to make it 3-0. Competed well for that. It's evidence for Hopper.
With his height becomes a very good reference for South Africa.
Many of the same players would be competing and it slipped from Rwanda. Nice diagonal. Teasing now and South Africa get it away. Only partially cleared here.
Pointers excited, but now coming back with the 3 goals is incredible.
Also the Palace going down under the challenge. There'll be another yellow card brandished here. That's a good thing. Certain side from Madagascar, for example. That's McQueen goes for it.
Yeah, it does really well the Ruka Mokoena to get height, but just overcooking it is the.
Twice over the course of these qualifiers, they've netted 3 times. On match day 4, the 3-1 win over Zimbabwe. Good ball played forward all, but Rwanda re-established control here. Shot. Back in March of 2023, and he's not missed a single match since then. Today is his 23rd cap. He's scored 4 goals over the team. Bishop. Also the Palace. Diva. Stepping forward yet. Steady continues on. Laying it off to Modiba. Oh, he's rescued it. Also the Palace had a chance for his second of the game.
Big chance indeed. And what a ball from Obi Modiba. Ball, cut back. Also the Palace just really totally missing that one.
Get that run. Through excellently. So this ball from Gota, it's still alive. Touches of Leprentwari. Really shut down today. The first pass from Apollos was glorious.
So it's really just the weight of the pass. Apollos once again just gliding through in that midfield.
Keep the ball moving somehow. And there's Mahapa laying it off for Gota. Right. Now had made a charging run up the flank and found himself in an advanced position, but incapable of converting.
Good ball rotation, good options in the box. Second ball comes again to Mudau.
Moves it on brilliantly into the path here of Modiba. Bula. McQueen in it through for Mahopa. Sabisi reading it well. Bule. Modiba. Apollos thought about it for a second. McQueen working it out wide to Mudau. Gota. Mudau again. Plenty of numbers committed forwards by the hosts. Yeah. Unbelievable record. Yeah. Too strong from Mugwena to Bulu, who does get it back. Apollos. Bulu! He's at the side netting. An improvised shot. It was so clever.
Mbule does really well to be the one that regains ball possession for South Africa. Good combination.
Under 20 minutes to play here in Mbombela. Great to see that the stadium really started to full out after people were leaving work. From Palace! And there's the third! Evidence Mahofa! Start checking flight tickets.
Game to the goal scorers. Well taken. Set piece once again, Osman Apollos. Very accurate with those deliveries, the weight of the pass. Certainly finds Mukopa. And you know Mukopa with his height. Very dangerous.
His clubs in Egypt, and stayed in Egypt, and then he was in Oman and Kuwait, a journeyman, leader. It does show that in terms of Rwandan players, they don't necessarily guarantee progress to the first Middle East World Cup.
Players, I think that has all prepared them for these certain moments.
Forgot Bata misdirects his cross. Well, that would have been a spectacular consolation had that flown in.
I'm starting to believe in the commentator's curse. You did say something about a dramatic finish to this match.
So from the resulting corner, flung towards the back post. Out of the air by Williams. In truth, hasn't had an awful lot to do today.
Over-reliance as well.
Yeah, that as well. Bata. Kupa. Ain't looking good for South Africa. How got that? Cross.